Good afternoon. It's 4 o'clock, it's time to go home. Busy day today, just on digger, flat out all day. So Tomo has taken the wall out. That is a pile of stone that needs taking out once again. But that's opened this up from where the digger is over to the shed. The far side is about 65 square metres. And then you've got this side, which is probably another 78 square metres of this side. So it is turning into quite a big garden. This morning, got all the little bit of rubble in there, in this area, over here. So we dug that down, brought that over here, used it as a sub base, and then we saved us nice soil over there. And as you've seen, I've just pulled it out now. I've tracked it, so over the next few nights, forecast rain, so I just don't want it to turn into a bog, so I've just sealed it by tracking it down. But yeah, next big thing now is getting this pile out, like I say, but underneath there's still like 400 or 500 mil to come out. So like, where the frig does that go? That shed could do with lifting onto the soil, and then we barrow all of that over and put it in that hole down there just to lift that up as a sub base again. But we need some new soil. Yesterday we were saying we've got too much, we've just got too much soil everywhere, we can't get rid of it, this, that and other. But now we've done that, it's like, yeah, we need another 10, 20 tonne of fresh soil just for topping off like this area where I'm stood now. But yes, it is coming together. So another big day tomorrow, and we should be there and starting to think about next week about building steps and stuff and what have you. So let's see what tomorrow brings first. Before we jump 2 steps ahead, let's see what tomorrow brings. But see you all at morning, mate. 8 o'clock sharp. What do I call it, mate?